Hey guys, it's Ashley Durham with Randy and Ashley Studios. Today I want to just give a little tutorial on a little fun thing that I figured out how to do on Instagram using our Show It website that allows users on Instagram to go directly to our website in the same manner that external third-party websites have been doing for a while, something like Linktree, which is what we were using for the longest time. And I thought, why should I send people to an external third-party site before they get to our website? And I realized that it would be really, really simple to use our Show It website that we already have built, create a custom mobile menu that is only for Instagram, and put it in our Instagram account. That way people have access to our website. So if you look at our Instagram, or my Instagram, I have this website, randyandashley.com/c-more. So when you click on that, instead of going to an external site like Linktree, instead it goes to our actual website on a mobile basis. Now obviously it's going to look a lot different when you're on your cell phone or mobile device, iPad, whatever, as opposed to looking at it on the desktop. However, I can't record from my iPad that I don't have anymore, so I'm going to do it from my MacBook Pro. Anyway, so this is what it looks like on desktop. It's in branding, it's in our colors, it's our preferred font, all of that fun stuff. We're already on our website, which is nice because it's creating a direct link to our website, a direct click, to our website from Instagram. And within our menu that we have in this mobile menu, we have different options to go on our website, and you can see this is to contact us, this is to learn more about us, this is our blog, this is more recent weddings, and even we have our travels listed on there. And then we have some external links that, just like we would have had with our Linktree, now we just have it listed here. So that would be like our VIP group that we have for family clients, affiliate links, etc. So it's awesome to have this go directly to your website because it's going to build your SEO. It's going to build your click-through rate, which is also going to help your SEO. And eventually, it actually does increase your bookings. For us, we've had a mass influx of inquiries directly from Instagram as a result of doing this. So I strongly recommend it. It's super simple and easy. Now, this tutorial is for Show It tiers. That's for people who have the Show It 5 platform. Hey guys, it's super easy to do. I promise it'll take you 5 minutes to set up and you won't regret it. So what you're going to do is you go to your home page, and you're already going to have both the desktop and a mobile option. So when you're here, you want to go to your menu that you have that normally clicks open when somebody is looking at your Show It 5 website on their phone, mobile device, whatever. You're going to click these little buttons, and you're going to click copy. Go back to site. You're going to open up a whole new page. You want to start fresh. In the canvas, you want to paste menu open into. Menu open is what mine was called in my template that I originally purchased. I don't know what yours is going to be called, but whatever your menu is, you're going to paste it into. So you can see this is what it looks like on mobile. And this is what it looks like on desktop. Now within this, everything is pretty much already there that you want it to be. However, you might not want to include all these links. Maybe you want to have some, varying things going on there. So for us, like I showed you here, we have external links, and we have like specific marketing links that we want affiliated with our Instagram account. So on here you can see we have different things. Now one big important thing is when you're linking to another page on your website, don't have it open in a new window. You want them to stay in the same window because that will increase your click-through rate and tells Google that you're more interesting, and therefore you rank higher, and it boosts your SEO, and it's super quick and easy. However, that being said, if you have an external page, i.e. Facebook, you definitely want to have it open in a new window because you don't want them to close out your tab and then get lost in Facebook or whatever affiliate page you're sending them to. So one thing I want to touch base on is you can do pretty much anything that you want in here. any menu that you want. You just want to keep it that same correct size that you already had. Now, one thing is I want to make sure that you are naming it something simple. For us, we decided to just call it See More. So when you go to our Instagram, it's randyandashley.com/see more. You can name it whatever you want. You can call it Instagram menu. You could call it Click Here if you're awesome. I don't care what you do. But make sure that you name it something unique that you can put right into your link. The other thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you make it something visible on desktop, because you never know when someone's going to somehow land on your Instagram page while they are on their desktop and not just on their cell phone. So for us, it's very, very simple. And you can make it as fancy as you want. For me, I just, made it super simple. But it's the same exact menu as it is on the cell phone. Has the same exact links, whatever. And if you are familiar with Showit, you know how easy it is to just design this. All I did for ours, if you look at the original, I had this menu already built in. I just made the canvas size bigger, moved everything around, made the font a different color because obviously it's white, so I just changed it to our branding blue, and it was really quick and simple. And then you just hit publish, and you have the new website that you put right into your Instagram, and then you have it on desktop, and it's super simple. I will also put images on our blog for you, so you can go and check that out if it's easier for you to kind of see step by step in photo what to do. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye, Showiteers.